Do you want to help him put it on there though? Seriously, don't ask me. No.
I don't know how. There's holding things at the side.
Oh, is there?
But I don't know. Oh, that's not doing it.
Right, so you go to the back, Al.
Hang on. Pull the camera out.
No, you go to the back, Al. Or you come here then, Dan. I can't. Oh, look at that! Be careful with it now, Al.
Yeah. It's brick.
Oh, this is going to be brilliant. Try not to get you in it as well. We're there. We're there. We're there. We're there. That's it. Darling, come here. There we go, come here.
Take a,
You come this side.
take a photo of that to show the HDMI out.
You might want a bit of a hand here. I won't be able to say.
Right, okay. Yeah, it will.
Yeah.
You need to be over there.
Yeah, darling, you need to be here.
Yeah, no, hold it there. Push it across.
That's it. Go on, Dan, keep putting it with him.
Full frame again.
Let's put it on. There you go.
I'm just wondering how the hell we're going to lift it into a skip.